Alright, so here's the lid. It's built with... Let me get this piece of foam here real quick. So this foam right here comes in 4x8 sheets. It's 1 inch. You can just get it at Home Depot. And it's like an R6 value. So this is actually inside right here. So I cut this top right here. Let me get you a measurement on that. Okay, so it's the 19 7/8 by 16 1/4. And then you're just going to trim all the way around it with 1 inch by 3/4, 1 inch high, because that's how thick the foam is. So that is actually inside there. So then you just trim that out around, and then you're going to put these side latches on that actually latch down onto the boxes. So then you put those two on, and then I built this top that shades. You notice there's a 2 inch, a little bit more than a 2 inch gap right here and right here, and I'll show you why. So when this goes on to the hive, it's gotta go, let me see, get this right, onto the corner here. So you'll see that this latches right down on here like that. So then it's trimmed 3/4 by 1 inch all the way around the outside right here. Has the 2 inch gap right there. So that matches the 2 inch overhang down below there. And that's where the foam insulation in the winter will run from the bottom. And it just works right up into that groove. Let me grab 2 of them and I'll show you. So then, I don't have the 2 inch insulation right now, but it will work just like so and go down to the bottom. And actually that height is perfect right there. So then it'll be totally sealed. And then when all 4 of them are together, I'll have a 1/2 inch gap here. I can run a furring strip or something on the top to seal it totally. And the water should run off and down. This will have a 3/8 gap still for the bees to get in and out. And one thing to come that I haven't gotten yet is I gotta make some kind of a top entrance for the bees, and I haven't quite figured that out yet. I don't know if I'm gonna make it on the top here or coming through the side right here on the top. I'm gonna figure that out. Maybe right here in the corner, they come through the center. So, dimensions on the top piece, which is 3/4 plywood. Let's see. 21 3/8 by 23 1/2. And that is the lid. So after I made this base here with the insulation in it, then I made this right here with these on it, and then I just stapled the two together. It would make a lot more sense if You're watching me do it. Maybe I will do that on a couple of them, but for now, those are the measurements. And that makes a nice, really nice hive. And that should work really good.